Following the success of a number of pilot projects in 2022, Chemuniqué developed a scripted half-day workshop aimed at educating children in early childhood development centers, schools, and retirement communities. In each instance, Chemuniqué partners with one of its local egg-producing clients to present a cooking lesson of an egg-based recipe, a puppet show or other demonstration, and an egg-based arts and crafts lesson led by a team of volunteers. In 2024, we extended our effort to the Ronald McDonald House at Nelson Mandela Children's Hospital. On Mandela Day, we provided nourishing breakfast for families with seriously ill children, because even small gestures can make a big difference during these challenging times. At Chemuniqué's headquarters, World Egg Day is also a time for learning. Our technical team shares insights into how our feed additives contribute to producing high-quality eggs. Employees even get a chance to visit our egg laboratory to see this work firsthand. World Egg Day isn't just about celebrating a household staple. It's about recognizing how eggs unite us all. From French quiches to Chinese egg drop soup, eggs play a central role in cuisines worldwide. They're affordable, environmentally sustainable, and don't even require refrigeration until cooked, making them accessible to everyone. This World Egg Day, join Chemuniqué in celebrating the humble egg, a symbol of nutrition, sustainability, and connection. Together, let's inspire healthier lives and stronger communities, one egg at a time.